Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget web application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Bitget? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type bitget.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Bitget. Once you get in there, go through the on-screen prompt to sign up. After signing up successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Bitget. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons. This first icon just right after the magnifying lens, you're going to find this extended menu. In this total asset value, you have other options here in this extended menu. Now, I would like you to click on the withdraw icon, and that's going to take you to the withdraw window. So while that is loading up, I would like you to head over to your Binance account. So launch your Binance wallet, and once you do that, in your Binance homepage or from the homepage, go ahead and locate the deposit option. Once you click on deposit, you're going to be asked to select the crypto that you want to make the transaction on. Now, select USDT. After selecting USDT, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to find the QR code for that token, and you're going to find your wallet address. Copy the QR code. Once you copy that, head over to Bitget. In this withdrawal window, here where you have select a coin, go ahead and click on the drop-down menu and ensure that you set it to USDT. After doing that, you're going to find this withdraw to, ensure it is set to on-chain. Now select the network here. Ensure that the network that you're selecting here is also accurate with the wallet, with the network that's been selected on your Binance for USDT. Now once you have selected your network, head over to this place where you have withdrawal address. Now paste the wallet address, the USDT that you copied in your Binance. Paste it right here where you have withdrawal address. Then once you paste it, select next. Then you'll be asked to verify your withdrawal details. And once you verify the withdrawal details, proceed to confirm and initiate USDT withdrawal from Bitget to Binance. Follow any additional security steps or verification processes required by Bitget to complete the withdrawal. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.